This difficult looking question, there are two main keywords being given to us, x-intercept and y-intercept. The x-intercept is the idea that y is 0, and the y-intercept is the idea that x is 0. So if we go ahead and use that, we're starting with y equals a to the x plus b. That's because f of x is just a fancy way of saying y. So now if we're doing the x-intercept, which says that y is 0, that would look like this. 0 equals a to the x plus b. And if we're doing the y-intercept where x is 0, that would look like this. Y equals a to the 0 plus b. So now anything to the 0 power is 1. So this is saying y equals 1 plus b. And we're also being told that the y-intercept is when here we're being given a difficult looking question that has two big keywords, x-intercept, which means y is 0, and y-intercept, which means x is 0, but they're already telling us that. So let's start with the x-intercept. The function itself looks like this, but f of x is just a fancy way to say y. So now if we go ahead and say y is 0, and it's also telling us that when y is 0, x is 2. So we have y is 0, x is 2, and 0 equals a squared plus b. Maybe simplify that a little by subtracting b from both sides. A squared equals negative b. We'll go ahead and see what we can do with that after we look at the y-intercept, which is at 0, negative 323. So let's take the same function, y equals a to the x plus b, and plug in x is 0 when y is negative 323. So we have negative 323 equals a to the 0 plus b. Now anything to the 0 power equals 1. So let's write that in here. Anything to the 0 power equals 1. So that entire piece will replace with the number 1. So we've got negative 323 equals 1 plus b. Take away 1 from both sides, and now we're seeing that b equals negative 324. So let's plug that back into the other one. The other one said negative b equals a squared. So negative 324 equals a squared. The double negative is a positive, and now we know that a squared is 324. And what is the square root of 324? I believe that's 18. And it is on my calculator. So we're taking the square root of both sides, and a equals 18. And b is negative 324. And that's what they happen to be asking us about anyway. So we really didn't need to find a anyway.